Look, the amount of noise that is out there because of this Wendy's debacle is incredible. The good part about this is that it's forcing us to start looking more at how AI is going to be helping in other different areas other than just menu prices to help with the restaurant operations. I've been following the development of some of these technologies, and it looks like if it's not here, it could be really quick. Number one, when it comes to food safety, hazardous potentials inside the restaurant, there is a technology that is tracking all of it so that they can predict what could possibly go wrong. And that includes not only what happens inside the restaurant itself, at the back of the house, but all the way to potential customer complaints. And if you think about it, this technology does help with the owner reputation because at the end, the complaints happens in the reviews. And if you minimize reviews and maximize the positive reviews, then your reputation is going to improve. So it's quite interesting. Very, very powerful, I would say. Number two, helping with capacity management. There's many ways of doing this. There's algorithms that read the capacity based on the amount of orders. And by learning, you get to what is your kitchen capacity. Many ways of measuring that. It could be based on the amount of revenue that it produces. But at the end of the day, when you have a capacity management solution, if you put AI into it, you can imagine that the features or what it's meant to do, it will get to that predictability. Like one of the things that AI helps a lot is with predicting pieces. So this feature basically is able to predict customer wait times based on a kitchen capacity. And also, of course, the commitment of improving the customer experience and allowing you to free more time as you build that trust in the system. You will be able to focus on what matters most, which is your customers. When it comes to front of house, number three is actually all the technology that is happening in AI into marketing. So one, we know that your struggle is always, a lot of the times is going to be about, oh, do I have time, or how do I actually post a Facebook post that is going to be successful, or an Instagram that will have all the bells and whistles to actually drive new customers to your restaurant? Well, AI is here to help. We know how ChatGPT generates ideas and content. So now it's going to be available for you to actually calculate what is the behavior of your customers, when they come frequent, where they hang out, and we'll be able to actually do the promotions for you. It's AI in marketing automation. Number four, this is one that I was kind of like, oh, I didn't know that was such an issue. But automating tip distribution. How about that? Using AI. So the way it works is that there are some of the parameters between front of house, back of house, maybe the way that you structure it for each of those different teams, it will be doing the calculation as tips come in, and at the end of the shift, everybody gets send their money to their places. Now, this is something that everybody has been doing forever, but what they promise is like it saves time, and the trust and the stress levels of the employees, it's reduced because they know that it will be fair, they know that it will be in their bank account, they know that they can trust the system, therefore AI somehow does this in a best, more efficient way. At the end of the day, there's a ton of tools out there that are here to help your business. These are the ones that I am curious about and that I'm following beyond dynamic pricing. And so, number one, operational hazard, all the way to reputation management and predictability of complaints. Number two, capacity management, helping optimize operations and between the kitchen capacity and even the distance to run between the kitchen and the tables. Marketing automation. AI will help you create campaigns and deploy them so that you can actually focus on what you do best. Number four, tip distribution, so that AI helps you with manager employees, front of house, back of house, and automatically making the deposits to each of them according to your rules and parameters.